Hey guys, so today we're going to be going over sets. So sets is another data type that's built into Python to use to store a collection of data, just like lists and tuples, right? So let's talk about some of the properties of sets. So first, sets are unordered, meaning that they have no defined order and that the items can be in different positions every time you look at them, right? Our sets are also unchangeable, meaning that we can't really change an item inside of a set after we made them. We can only add and remove items, right? So sets don't allow any duplicates in them. We can show an example of this later, right? But those are the main properties of sets. So first, let's talk about how to initialize a set. So you would just have a variable called mySets and use the assignment operator on them, and you would use curly braces to tell Python that this is a set, right? Curly braces in Python are used to define a dictionary and sets, but we can talk about dictionaries later. So sets, let's say we have this set and we put a bunch of data in there, right? As you can see in here, we have a bunch of duplicate numbers. So like 1 appears more than once, 2, 3, 4, and 5, they all appear more than once, right? But the moment we initialize this set and we set it to my set will then be cleaned up to just have these 5 unique numbers. As you see in this set, there's no duplicate values, they're all unique, and we got rid of all the duplicates, right? So sets also function just like lists, where you can add and remove items in there. So you can add stuff by doing a .add command. This is just like the .append command, but there's no specific like index where we'll add it. So the append command will add items to the end of the list. The .add would just add it in there, right? So let's say we want to add 7 in here. This will give us back a set that contains 1, 2, 3, 4, and 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 7, right? Since 7 is a unique number, it's never appeared in here before, we just remove, there's no duplicates to remove, so it just adds 7. Let's say we want to remove something, we can just do a mySet.remove. Then we give it what we want it to remove, right? So let's say we want to remove the number 2 in here. So we just give it 2, and then we should get back a new set that just doesn't have 2 in it. Okay, that's it for today. Bye.